find the differences between C++ and Java. How do a new programming language evolve? A new programming language evolves from the existing programming language by adding, deleting and combining features. So a new programming language will not evolve from scratch. It will be evolving from an existing programming language. Like, for example, C++ has evolved from C programming and Java have evolved from C++ programming language. So now we'll see the differences between C++ and Java. C++ is also called as C with classes or C with objects or C++, an increment of C programming language. So the similarity between C++ and Java is that both the programming languages follow the object-oriented programming paradigm, but with little differences between the features. Let us see what are those differences. Now, who developed C++? C++ is developed by Jan Stroustrup and Java is developed by Sun Microsystems, wherein the project is initiated by James Gosling. The second difference and a very important difference between C++ and Java is that C++ is platform dependent and Java is platform independent. Platform independent means that the code can run across multiple operating systems or the code can run on any of the operating systems. So that is what is making Java a very successful programming language today. The next difference is that C++ is compiler-based programming language and Java is interpreted programming language. Compiler-based programming language means that the source code is given to the compiler and compiler converts the source code into the machine code. And coming to what is interpreted programming language. Here there is two steps of execution. The first is the source code is given to the Java-C compiler. The Java-C compiler converts the source code into the bytecode. This bytecode is considered to be the magic code or it's the intermediate code, fully optimized code which can run across any platforms. This is what is making Java platform independent. Now this bytecode can be taken into the JVM and JVM runs this bytecode. So that's why Java is considered to be interpreted programming language. The next difference is regarding the features. C++ supports both functional overloading and also operator overloading, whereas Java supports only function overloading. It does not support operator overloading. The next difference is regarding handling memory management. In C++, it is the burden on the programmer to actually handle the memory, but in Java, the programmer is free of handling the memory. Now coming to the real world applications of C++ and Java, the real world applications of C++ are Google Chrome, MS Office. All these are examples of Internet Explorer. All these are examples of C++ applications. And Netflix, Blu-ray disc player, Uber, all these are examples, real world applications of Java programming. And another difference between C++ and Java is that C++ supports multiple inheritance, and whereas Java does not support multiple inheritance directly, but you can obtain multiple inheritance through interfaces. What is meant by multiple inheritance? Multiple inheritance means that a class can have more than one class as parent. So that is called as multiple inheritance, which is supported in C++ but not supported in Java. So these are the differences, my friends. Hope you like this video. Please watch my upcoming videos. Stay home, stay safe, and happy learning. Bye.